Hey everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Wonder How, where we make game development easy and fun. Today, we're diving into ProBuilder and Unity 6, a powerful tool that lets you model, texture, and edit levels directly inside Unity. No need for external 3D software. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own level layout quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, we need to install ProBuilder. Go to Window, Package Manager. Search for ProBuilder. Click Install. Once installed, you'll find ProBuilder in the Tools menu. Unlike previous versions, Unity 6 no longer includes the old ProBuilder UI. Instead, you'll interact with it through the Scene View and Inspector. Now, let's start building. In the hierarchy, right-click and go to 3D Object, ProBuilder Cube. Now, let's modify our shapes. Select your object and enter ProBuilder editing mode from the inspector. Use face selection to stretch surfaces. Use edge selection to tweak edges. Use vertex selection for fine adjustments. Want to create a doorway? Select a face, extrude it inward, and delete it. Boom, you have a door. Use bevel tool to make rounded edges. Now, let's add textures. Assign a material to your object through the inspector. Open UV editing from the ProBuilder menu. Adjust the texture alignment for a better look. This keeps your levels looking clean and professional. And that's it. With ProBuilder, you can create amazing levels inside Unity without needing 3D modeling software. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next tutorial. Happy game making!